Hi guys, it's Anne and welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. Today I'm going to be unboxing my very first luxury candle and it's from the 2024 holiday collection made by Diptyque. If you're interested in knowing what I got and the promo code I used to get a freebie, keep on watching. I don't have a Diptyque boutique near me, so I decided to order online and here it is. I already opened up the box to save some time. And I'll show you what is there. Here is the item with the packaging. And then this must be the receipt along with the return information. So it came with this beautiful Diptyque Paris dust bag. And then this is from the holiday collection. So here is the beautiful gingerbread candy cane box. And then before I open that up, I want to share some of the freebies that I got. So with this order, I got 2 samples of my choice. So here they are. And then because this was my very first purchase from the brand, I got a welcome gift of free matches. So, let's see. And then inside are just matches. Yep. And with this promo code, you have to spend $175. So the holiday set was below that. So I had to get something to reach that minimum, and I ended up getting the holiday matches. So I wonder if they're the same on the inside and it's really just the packaging. So I'll go ahead and open that up right now. Let's see. And they are the same on the inside, but just the box is different. And then they have like that strip to light up the match. I would say difference in length, I guess, for the matches. And then because I used a promo code, I got these felt patches. The promo code that I used to get this freebie. You have like a tote, a tree, a star, a candle, a perfume bottle, and a gingerbread. And I'll open that up so you guys could actually see what it looks like up close. So I believe they are stickers. Alright. So now time for the actual item that I was really looking forward to. Again, this is my very first purchase from Diptyque, my very first luxury candle. So here we go. To reveal this holiday set. Originally when I looked at it last month, you can customize what candle you want. But by the time I was ordering and when the promo code came out, they only had this specific candle, which is I think it's called Bays. It's pretty much a mixture of like berries with like a rose scent. So let me take out the candle first. So this is a 190-gram candle. So it's a 6.5 ounce. It is made in France. And then here is the set that I will assemble for you. So it's actually called a carousel or candle carousel, and this is the holiday edition for 2024 from Diptyque. And here are the carousel tassels inside, and these are the instructions. So for this year, I'm actually really happy that this finally came out for this year, because you know, if you watch other videos from my channel, you know how much I like stars. So I think it's really nice and beautiful. And then here is the topper that spins around. So you just place that on top like that. And then I'm going to go and put each of the tassels. So here it is, you guys. Here's how it looks. And then you can light the candle here, and then it'll continue to spin. So if I were to hold it up like this. And right now in the lighting, it looks more like rose gold than like super yellow gold, which is nice in my opinion. And this is a sample clip of no lighting in this room. And then this is when it's lit, and then it'll slowly start spinning, but you can give it a push. And this is what it looks like. No lights and just the candle lit. So that is it, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I think this is a great gift for somebody that loves candles. Again, this is from the 2024 holiday collection made by Diptyque.